My name is Dawson Hendrickson. I'm a trainee at 4KS. I've been with 4KS for the past week. My training at 4KS has been fabulously awesome. Have two great instructors who have been awesome, very helpful, very knowledgeable. I would like to give a big shout out to Drew and Amaan. They've been very brilliant. I would recommend 4KS to anyone, absolutely to anyone. It's been very great, very awesome. It's a friendly environment, great help from everyone. So I recommend you want a job in forklift training and reach Counterbalance, 4KS is the one.